I know you so well, so well.
Hello Janalu. So I'm going to Sunday Resorts tomorrow. I've been there a couple of times, but I badly need this staycation because I've been working quite a lot and I am recording the intro now because obviously నేను చాలా హడావుడిలో ఉంటా and I'll forget the intro part. So I just want to have some me time and enjoy for 2 days, and it's like a social detox, like it's been a week and I stopped texting people. I'm not replying to people. Like I just reply to the important messages because I'm just so fed up. It's not like people are irritating me, but I just reached the saturation point. Like I'm so done with the social media and texting and all that. And yeah, you guys can understand, right? ఎక్కువ వాడేస్తే చిరాకు వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా, అండ్ యూ లైక్ what, I don't want to use my phone anymore. So నా సిచ్యువేషన్ కూడా అదే, but I will record everything over there. I'm gonna vlog everything. I'm just not gonna use my internet and text people the whole day. I won't do that, but I will vlog everything. And I know most of the Vizagates already went to Sunday Resorts, but this video is for the ones who didn't go. I'm gonna take you around Sunday Resorts in my video and I'll give you all the details, how I booked the room and the expenses and the distance, the duration, everything. It's like Sunday tour come my staycation vlog. So see you tomorrow. Bye. Sunday Village Resort is located in Bhogapuram, Vizag, and it is around 60 kilometers from the city, which means it would take you around 1 hour 30 minutes to reach there. This is the parking area and it is an eco-friendly resort, so vehicles are not allowed inside. We have buggy services there, so it's an electric vehicle, so we can call them and they'll pick us up anytime, anywhere. Check-in is at 1 p.m. So here we are at the main entrance. Let's go and check in. Ta-da! So guys, our room is located in the Flower Street and it is so pretty. This is something I really love here. Like you find cycles everywhere. So this is the entrance to our villa, and then you go upstairs and that's our room over there. As local kill record chesta, but look at this view. And we have cycles over here, and there we have a bench. Let's go inside. And then we have a dining table, sofa, and I can take nice pictures. This villa consists of individual executive rooms, and they also have deluxe rooms which are quite expensive than this. So I booked this on Agoda app and it costed me 4,200 rupees, and prices do vary. So this is the room. Cute balcony over here. You all just browse through different apps like TripAdvisor, Agoda, etc. and then book a room, because obviously each app has a different price for the same room. So for me, Agoda was the reasonable one, so yeah. This is the restaurant and the food here is delicious. They do have a wide variety of dishes and the prices aren't very expensive. Guys, it's 4 p.m. and this is what I've been waiting for, the bestest part of Sunday Resorts, the private pool. Like look at this place. Oh my god, I love pools. I don't know how to swim, but you can see me getting all excited. So basically, if you choose the day package, you would not get access to the private pool, but you would get access to the public pool. But if you're staying here for an entire night, then you get this private pool for 1 hour. So you need to book a slot and this entire place is yours for that 1 hour. So look at this place, man, it's so heavenly. So this is the area where you have showers and then you have rooms to change your clothes. They also provide you with swimwear, so you need to buy it and then it's all yours. Like I got this for 500 or something, and this place has my heart. Oh my god. It's 6 p.m. and I'm taking a stroll, and this is how it looks in the evening. I just love this vibe. It's so calm and so peaceful. So we have a basketball court, a tennis court, and also a cricket ground. This is me trying basketball for the first time in my life, so don't hit me up with rules. I'm so glad my room is on the flower street because this vibe, the lights, everything is so heavenly here. So I'm back from the pool and that's why my hair looks like this. Now I'm having Darjeeling tea and I'll go out again in a while. Cheers! The dinner is served from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. and it's already 9:30 p.m. so I'm just gonna have my dinner now because I'll be foodless again, if there's a word like that. Hehe. You all must try the pasta if you're here, and there's my cold coffee, which is a need. So one of the pasta was the arrabbiata. I don't remember actually. This is the fish pond area, and it has ponds on all four sides, and they have koi fish and many other fish. Look at these cuties. So basically this pond is open till 11 p.m. but all other amenities here are 24/7 open. Good morning. Today is day 2 and it's 6:30 a.m. and I'm so glad I actually woke up this early because this view is everything. Let's do some magic. 1, 2, 3, choom. Still the same potato face. Lol. I'm all ready. I'm going to have my breakfast now and then I'll roam a bit. The checkout is at 11 a.m. so I packed my bags already. Bye. The breakfast is available from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. and it's complimentary and they have a wide spread over here like yum yum yummy in my tummy. This is the mini jungle where you can click nice pictures because of the greenery, but I honestly didn't like this place. Like, I think it's not worth it. So I'm back at the fish pond again because I didn't see the fish in the daytime. So last night I more చీకట్లో చూసా ఇప్పుడు daylight లో చూద్దామని. This is my twin. This is the greenhouse and it is located in the flower street, so this is quite close to my room. So ila enter avgane you can see this beautiful Buddha. So this entire place is the flower street. Koncham clear ga chupistuna. And this is the jogging track right next to the flower street. So you're basically amidst the flowers. Now let me just take you around the public pool. I didn't get into this pool, but I'm just showing it to you all because this is what you get when you choose the day package. They also provide us with indoor games room, which is right next to the reception. It's 11 a.m. now, time to check out. So yeah, it's time to leave. Bye bye Sanjay. I loved it here. And that was a wrap. And it was an amazing staycation. I enjoyed every minute of it. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.